Good morning, students. Welcome to the first video on subject video agreement. Here we will be discussing certain rules that are associated with subject and verb, the way they come together in a sentence to make the sentence correct and meaningful. Now, subject verb agreement follows one specific standard rule, and that is singular subjects must have singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs. Now, if you give an example, he is coming, is being your be verb, singular. They are coming, they being plural. So, the verb changes from is to are, and is being singular and are being plural. In general, the difference between noun and verb is one difference is plural verbs don't come with an S, while plural noun come with an S at the end, and the vice versa. The singular verbs comes with an S. He leaves or he lives. This is singular. They live minus the S. Live becomes plural. Live is the plural form, while lives is the singular form. That is one rule you must remember. Excuse me. Now the other rules associated with subject and verb agreement, let's see them one by one. Now the first one, the pronoun you always takes a plural verb. That's a hard part rule. You were invited, although you is a singular person, but it would always take a plural verb. You was is incorrect. You were invited to come. You are asked to clean the room. You sing so well. The singular form of sing is sings. So had it been he sings so well, and you sing so well. You see the difference? Keep in mind, the pronoun you always takes plural verb. Now the second rule. If a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with subject which follows it. Now this is one of the confusing ones because the subject couldn't be seen. The sentence doesn't begin with the subject. Here are the ways. You see ways are plural, so it becomes are. The subject that closely follows here, the verb agrees with that. There is a huge gap between the rich and poor. A huge gap. The huge is used with a, which proves that it is singular. Therefore, we use is. And there are many students who would love to participate in the drama competition. Many, plural, there are many students. So this way, we see sentence beginning with his and there. You must keep in mind what is the noun that follows. If it is singular, it will take a singular verb. And if it's a plural one, it will take a plural verb. Now let's come to rule number 3. If two subjects, one single and one plural, are connected with either or, neither nor, and as well as we will deal later. Let's stick to either or neither nor, in which the verb will agree with the nearer subject or the second subject. Neither the player nor the coach is joining. Now coach is singular, so verb we have taken the singular one is either the conductor or the singers are attending the concert. Now the subject or the noun close to the verb is singers, which is plural. Therefore verb takes its plural form. It's as simple as that. I simply remember either or, neither nor, the second subject. Verb agrees with the second subject. If a singular subject is followed by a phrase containing a plural noun, the verb is singular. If a singular subject is followed by a phrase containing a plural noun, be careful. One of the boys, subject 1 is singular, but it is followed by a phrase, it becomes one of the boys. So when it's a noun phrase, we always take a singular verb. one of the members is against the rule, right? So it's both are noun clause, and hence they are taking noun phrase rather, then it's taking a singular verb. The indefinite pronouns several, few, both, many, others are always plural. When the pronoun is indefinite, we are not sure about the number, it's obviously plural, more than one, so it will take a plural verb. We don't need to apply too much mind, but if you still wish to remember, the words are several, few, both, many, others. See, both were asking, several are seeking, many are talking, others are complaining, right? These are plural, so we take a plural verb. So thanks for sharing your time today. There are several other rules that we will come across in my next video. Till then, all of you take care, stay safe, study hard. Goodbye.